So sometimes streams exist, sometimes they don't. We can create a new stream by calling the append stream method. We give a stream name. We have the other required arguments are current version and events. The current version, when a stream does not exist, is this special thing, stream state no stream, that indicates that you know that the stream does not exist and you're expecting that it does not exist. The events argument is a sequence of new event objects, as we saw in a few slides ago. When we append to a stream, we give a sequence of events, and the operation is atomic, so that either all of the events are recorded or none of them are. The current version argument has to be either a stream state or an integer. There are other values of the stream state of no stream, which we'll look at in a minute. But if you set the current version to either be no stream when a stream does not exist and you're wanting to create it, or an integer, which is when you already have a stream, then if you get the value wrong, the exception wrong current version will be raised, which provides concurrency control for the recorded events in a stream.